Welcome to Modivs Home Tuitions and Online Tuitions. Let's learn how to write an essay step by step. Understand the topic. Read the essay question carefully. Make sure you understand what it's asking you to write about. Plan your ideas. Think about what you want to say before you start writing. Write down your main points in a list or a simple outline. Introduction. Start your essay with an introduction. This is where you introduce the topic and say what you'll be writing about. Keep it short and clear. Body paragraphs. Write a few paragraphs in the middle of your essay to explain your main points. Each paragraph should focus on one idea. Start each paragraph with a topic sentence that tells the reader what the paragraph is about. Use examples. Give examples to support your points. This could be something you have read in a book or seen in a movie, or just something from your own experience. Conclusion. Finish your essay with a conclusion. Summarize what you have said in the body paragraphs and make a final point about the topic. Check your work. Before you finish, read through your essay and check for any mistakes in grammar or spelling. Make sure everything makes sense and flows well. Practice writing. The more you practice writing essays, the better you'll get. Try writing essays on different topics to get more comfortable with it. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe. Stay connected with Modivs Home Tuitions.